So this is a Studypool. I'm going to show you how to become a tutor or sell document. In this video, let me show you how to sell document. Any type of documents you have, you're going to earn up to $10 for every view that a student is going to view, right? You can earn up to 5,000 USD. All right. So here are top earners. You can see this. Moving back, here are zero approved, zero declined, and zero pending. Because I haven't uploaded, I'm going to show you how we are going to upload. Before uploading, you have to understand how to create account. It's really simple. You have to just sign up. I've already signed up. And after signing up, you're going to indirect as a student page. Or you can become a tutor to earn up to $7,000. Let me show you, and let me tell you this become a tutor next time. But today I'm gonna show you how to sell tutor as a just very simple. You don't need anything else. Before going further, I would like to show you how sale. What are differences? There are some examples, right? Which are what are documents uploaded? They are updated or not. All right, going to this example and going to this bad example, right? So first of all, approved one. This type of documents are being approved, right? So they are getting these type of topics. You have any kind of things like this documents, they are going to approve your documents and you can earn money. But if you have documents like this, your somebody is not able to see them, so they are not really approved as well. I suggest you to go through all of them one by one. You can download them or you're going to check them review here into other pages before uploading, right? There are some other type of questions you if you have it. But let me go through uploading one. So what we have to do is simply clicking here, upload more like this, or you can upload here, right? That's it I think we have to do. Let me simply click upload more file. Now it's taking me here. I'm going to select English lesson first that I've already prepared. Do not upload answer you have received as students or submitted as a tutor on Studypool, right? Failure to comply will result in a removal of the documents and your account will be, means you don't need to upload some kind of documents that already somebody gave you something like this and you don't need to have a mixed quality or poor quality of content. They are going to decline and have a really long delays. So definitely it means deny. You're going to simply confirm. Here you can see first file is uploading. Uploading documents can take anywhere. All right, one file was successfully uploaded. And when we are going to simply click OK, they're going to take a bit seconds. You can see one is in pending. Hi, Lakhan Kumar Damani. This is message to confirm that we receive documents that we typically take 22 we typically take 2 to 48 hours to proceed and receive kind of documents, and they are definitely having a lot of them. So remember, only good quality, do not upload duplicate content, and mixing good and bad quality with significant delay the process. Simply going to click OK. I uploaded one. I'm going to show you how to upload more. Here I'm uploading number second and third simply, and now you can see it's the same. They're going to take a few seconds or 10 minutes, and that's it. You have to do nothing else. So these two files are successfully uploaded. Now you can see there are three documents. Why it's taking so long? You can try to read it if you want to. They're going to have a lot of them. It takes definitely I have uploaded, and once they are going to be approved, I would like to show you there will be three approved. They will show us, right? Here are maximum earnings. You can see this more how much you earn and something like this. There are three documents we have uploaded recently. You can see them 1, 2, 3 lesson, and they are in processing. That's it. The most recent upload they are going to show us here. And definitely you're going to earn up to $10 per document viewed. And how you're going to get money, this is a really interesting question. If you go to here, when you go to here, my balance, simply click to my balance simply, and you can see here you have a zero balance. If you have it to their balance, you're able to withdraw here. So money available for withdraw after, and money after 4 p.m. on Tuesday will not be a refund are deducted. Transfer may take 2 3 days, and then pay out till Monday or to holidays if Monday is holiday. And then you have to simply click here to withdraw, and they are going to redirect to another page. This is what we are going to say. You have these all things. You're going to select Payoneer, select PayPal. Hi, please note the Payoneer may ask your additional documents to verify. Right, when you simply click here, they are going to tell you more about these Payoneer, right? These are messages we have seen this just now. Please take a note, may take for additional documents verify that you're updated with. So this is okay. Whenever hi, PayPal is unavailable. Recent difficulty sending. All right, no problem. They're saying PayPal is not available at this moment. There are some temporary issues. Definitely, we don't have in Pakistan, so they are definitely saying. But Payoneer is the best. I will tell you how to create Payoneer account. If you don't have, you have to simply click. Once you have created this account, try to message me below. I will create for you Payoneer account. And there are some other things. Payoneer Wise in Pakistan is available, even in maybe India too. That's it for today's video. So that's more simple. To do this, you can have a lot of different topics. Any topic you want to do that. If you know mathematics, programming, that you can create subjects and try to upload here. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.